There are two files in the home directory, password.o and password.new. The password for the next level is in password.new and is the only line that has been changed between the O and new. So I guess we have to compare two files. But first, let's log into level level 18 first. So exit out, SSH, level 18 with the key. Actually no, we have to set the key first. Okay, ls. I want to do select the whole thing. Actually, kind of cat level 18 into level 18.private. I think the extension is important, right? Okay. Level 18.private. Just make sure the permission is good. Oh shoot. So we wanna change it back to 600. And this way, the SSH will allow us to use this key. So SSH. Level 18. Or just still asking password though. Why are you asking password? I already give you the private key. Oh, is it? Maybe I have to connect to level 18. Yeah. 17. Yeah, that's that. Okay. Damn, that always confused me. And what is this? Okay, I think I got messed up somewhere in here, but whatever. 718. So password, the new password.o. Where's this gray out? File. Oh. ASCII. Can I cat it? Oh, okay. So to compare two files. How do we do that? Can I do diff? That's good, right? Just a wild move. Oh, it actually worked. So what did he say? Grep. Oh, yeah, it's actually a thing. Diff. 2 lines password for the next level. But how do I interpret this? I guess okay. Let's take a look. Compare file line by line. We can compare it side by side, huh? Let's do that. Dash Y. Doesn't help. What does this mean? And what does this mean? Then from somehow I feel this. How do I interpret the result from diff commands? Linux. So line exists in the first file, line exists in the second file. So I put the new file first. Therefore, this is the only line exists in new file, and this is the line that got deleted in this file, right? I think, and what's this? It's a result. What's a result? Oh, 3D2, third line in file 1. And what's 42C42? Deletion, addition. That might not be irrelevant, but I just want to know. How to interpret command option? No. I'm not so sure. But just ignore that for now. I'm sure this is the password. paste it here for level 18. But just in case, let me copy the whole result. So I don't have to come back again in the case when it's wrong. Okay. So I just found this. Lines need to be added. So there are 3 different characters to denote different behavior, I guess, action. So add, delete, and change. So when it's a 2C2, means change line 2 in file 1 to line 2 in file 2. In this case, it's line 42, change from this to this. Yep. Okay. All right, it's back to 18 to 19. Here. Wait, no, 18 to 19. Here. The password for the next level is stored in here. Oh wait, but I think there's a last. Is if you solve this level and see bye-bye when trying to log into Bandit 18, it's related to the next level. So we're gonna have trouble logging in then. Is that what we're saying? So let's exit out. Let's try to log in to, is it 18? It's 18, right? Yeah, I think so. And we use the password here, paste it, and that is expected. Okay. Alright, let me take a break, get some coffee. Okay, I'm back with some coffee. So how do we solve this? Honestly, I don't know. I mean, yeah, really, I don't know. I guess I have to Google it. Terminal close right after login. Actually, not terminal close. Session. Why? A shell. Home directory. Expect shell initialization files. Cat grep ls diff. This for the level though. Bye-bye when trying to log in. This is related to the next level. Okay. 18 to 19. Oh, someone has modified the bash RC to log you out when you log in with SSH. Can we modify it back? I don't know. Wait, but do we have to wait? Can we inject the command into SSH? I remember we can do that, right? So add command during SSH. Yeah, so we can do that. And we know it's in a readme in a home directory. So that's what we're doing. In home directory. So you log into that and you wanna cat home directory in a readme file. In a readme file. Yeah, all lowercase. Let's try that. Copy it. Paste. No such file. Really? CD. Oh. Cat home readme. Okay. Can we do ls? List out the home directory. There's a lot of them. There's no readme. Oh wait, maybe there's Bandit 19. File readme. Let's take a look at Bandit 19. Can we cat it? Paste. Where's the directory? What's inside a directory? Bandit 22. What the hell is that? There's two. And permission denied. 18 to 19, right? ls cat ssh file in the home directory. Okay, can we find on the root dash name is called readme. Whatever. Readme. Okay. Okay, just do. We want to dump the error message into a void. Oh, so you have to go into that. I see. So you have to go into home, Bandit 18, and read the readme, not just home and readme. So -home/home/bandit 18/readme. Paste the password, and we should get the permission denied. Why? Aren't we? And you're asking for password? Don't you already have my password? Oh, we want a cat. Oh, there we go. Copy it. Paste it. And let's go to 19, next level. 19 to 20. The next level, you should use the setuid binary in a home directory, execute it without argument to find out how to use it. The password for this level can be found in a usual place in the exit file after you have used the setuid binary. Not sure what that is, but we can log in first. So SSH to 19. The password. We're in Bandit 22. Looks like an executable. Yeah, it's an executable. Can we execute it? And example, who am I? Who am I? I'm Bandit 20. What does it do? I feel Bandit 20, I feel this executable allow us to execute as a root, execute with the root privilege. Yeah, that's what setuid do, right? Yeah, should execute with the argument to find out how to use it. Okay, we did that. The password for this level can be found in usual place. Oh, then we can just cat it. So do this, and we can do ls or ls. Just take a look what's inside. No such file. What about Bandit? Right. Shebang lines. Wait. You can only do that? How do I cat the file? Cat. Okay. eval ls. Oh, there we go. So you don't have to put the rabbit with the double quotation. You can just use it. So you wanna get Bandit 20, right? So you wanna cat Bandit 20. 20. There we go. Copy it. Can we also cap 21? Yeah, of course not. Level 20. Paste. Exit out. Just Google. Make sure that we're right. File. Why this? Special type of executable file. Yep. That allows user to run a program with the privilege of the file's owner rather than their own privilege. So probably the root privilege too. Okay. 2021. In a home directory that does the following: it makes a connection to localhost and the port. You specify as a command line argument. It then reads the line of the text from the connection and compares it to the password in the previous level. If the password is correct, it will transmit the password for the next level. Read the line of the text from the connection. Try connecting to your own network daemon to see if it works as you think. Okay, it makes a connection to the localhost and the port. Just log in first. 20. Paste it. As you connect, localhost using TCP. So put a port number. And how do we know what port is open though? The first thing I can come up with is an nmap, but it doesn't say that in here though. I don't know, just run an nmap, take a look. Port, eh? Shoot, how did I do that? I forgot. Nmap. Cheat sheet. I think it's something like dash. I'm gonna check the open port. Just port scan. So a map, localhost -p. It doesn't even have a range. -f. Because I want to scan all of them. Oh, this will scan all of them. I guess. -p scan all port -p. Okay. -p dash map local host -p dash. Might take a while. Oh, it's fast, man. So these are open. Article, yes. SSH. Does it have a hint? Unknown. We don't know which one though. Do we have to? Is there a way we can run service scan on here? Wait, but they already have a service in here. It's just these are unknown. Maybe we just run these. Map -sv -t5 for fast mode -p, and we'll do 31046 21581 21518 31691 31790 31960 50001 51790 60917. Alright, better run. Wait, what? No target with space. Oh yeah, localhost. Localhost. Okay, we'll wait. And we're back with the result, which, okay. So, again, this one looks promising. This 3 is totally unknown. Echo, we can exclude that out. This two, so that gives us just this option. 21790. Unrecognized by returning data. If in a service version, please submit. Okay. Let's copy that. So these are the open port. What is it? It makes a connection to a local host and port specified. Okay. And we copy the password of the current level of the previous level from the connection. It then reads the line of the text from the connection and compares it to the password in the previous level, but in the 20. If the password is correct, it will transmit the password to the next level. So let's see. So I wanna run an executable, right? SU, and let's try to connect to this port, and let's copy this password to here. And we don't get anything. For the next level. So that's not the right port. Try connecting to your own network daemon to see if it works as you think. To the word daemon. What do I mean the word daemon? As you connect. Netcat. Connect to this port. I feel nothing's listening on this port though. I don't think so. I feel we shouldn't use these ports. Somehow I feel we have to create our own port, use our own server, and then make this connect to the port we designate. And our server will be able to send the password to this, what do we call it, the client. So this become a client and we become a server. So ncat-l-s, I actually forgot. Yeah, main page. You know what? Example usage. -p-5. -l listening. Simple web server. -2 to echo -e. Turn to OK. No. We just want to send a message. How to make Netcat send message when client connect. Pipe. So we echo. What's a cat? Echo welcome cat. Cat, which will either send their output your keyboard and pass it through the pipe. Okay, or you can just echo away, create file, echo. You can do that too. Does it have to be a file, or we can just do? Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. And instead of doing a welcome the text, we'll set this password as the message. Can we do that? No, such a file. Oh, it has to be a file. Okay. Echo. Damn. Okay. Echo. Paste into a file. Level 20.txt. Permission denied. Great. So I guess we'll have to use a temp file again, but I don't want to go that route. Can you use this one? This one looks promising too. Okay, so it's listening, but we don't want it to. What's going on? Don't quit on me. We don't want it to echo that message. We want it to echo the password instead. Oh, shoot. This is the password. Oh, no, not yet. Okay. Now. Wait. Becomes a server. Then how do we run the? Okay. Can we log in to that again? The 20. Open a new terminal and just log in from here. Sweet. Okay, can we run su connect to 1 2 3 4 5? Nice. Okay, send the next password. Password match. So this, wait, password. Oh, we sent back here. Nice. Okay. Let's go, baby. Here. Let it go. 21. What's 21 half? 21. Miss a connection to the port. Service will commit. December 2021. So 21, 22. So we are getting 22. And that was password for 21. Yeah, that's right. And we can close this. We can end this. And we can do exit. And we can connect to Bandit 21. No file. A program is running automatically at a regular interval. Oh, cron jobs, okay. The time-based job is scheduler. Look into the file for the configuration and see what command is being executed. Sure. Cat. Oh, yeah, it's a file. ls. So they're Bandit 22. So 21. OTW tender. Maybe we have to look into that 22. Chrome job 22. Can we cat it? Bandit 22. Chrome job Bandit 22.sh. I feel like this is dumping something into the null, into the void. I think this is denoting the frequency of the cron jobs. Let's look into that. time-based scheduler, that's right. Okay, so yeah, so each what do you call it, star sign, asterisk, means something. So there's every minute, every hour, every day of the month, of the week, of the command, the show command, or script to run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The show command is Bandit 22. I think that's this. So what happened when it's set to asterisk? In the hour field, it means every hour. So you can set it to, so run once an hour, run once a day. In output and login, it must be scheduled in the root user cron tab or system-wide location like that. Yeah, so that's the one we are peeking into. And instead of redirecting that to the log file, they got redirected to a void. But there's nothing though. But in 22, clean up. Let's take a look at the description again. The time-based job scheduler for the configuration. See what command is being executed. Chrome tab. Chrome tab. Chrome. Just take a look. I don't know. Can open or create. What command is being executed? So these command is being executed. This got run every second. Reboot. After reboot, I guess. User being Chrome tab, Chrome jobs. Dev no. Can we take a look at the dev no? Nothing. Oh wait, this is different. This is the actual file that got executed. It's different. Can you take a look at this file? So you will cat the Bandit 22 pass to temp. Schmott 744 temp. So it will set the password to this file, which means if for every second, or is it every minute or every second? For every minute, okay? Which means if we go to the file, or we cat into the file, we should be able to see that password, okay? Copy that here. Level 22. Cool. Okay, just log in to 22 with our password. We're in, and there's nothing. Pretty sure it's a cron jobs again. So 22 to 23. Yep. Look into that file for configuration. Looking at a shell script written by other people is a very useful skill. The scripts for this level is intentionally made easy to read. If you're having problem understand what it does, try executing it to see the deep information it prints. Okay. Directory. I guess we'll look into this file, right? So cat etc cron.d cronja23. So every minute this file got executed. So let's take a look at this file. I'm a user. Who am I? My name. So I'm a user of that. Undefined sum. It's been hashed. And cut. So only print out the first. Echo copying password file to here. And it will cat the file to here. Echo copying password file etc. Just this file, copying password file. Who am I to temp my target. Okay. So I guess our mission is to figure out what my target is. So we can do this, right? Take this whole thing and we basically do the same thing. Except we will replace my name to Bandit 22 because that's our name. And we wanna, what about when we do that? Okay. So this is the hash we need. And it's copying the password file to here. So we can just cat temp and we paste that in and we should get the password. Copy. Label 23. Paste it. Label 24. Exit out. SSH to 24. 23 actually. Paste it. Permission denied. Oh wait, how is that the same password? Oh shoot, we want Bandit 23, not 22. Okay, again, damn, we have to do that over again. Here. Paste it. And we're in here. So where's that hash at? Here. Copy. Wait. Okay, so the whole thing's wrong. We have to modify that. It's 23. Copy it. The reason we changed that is because we want to peek into the password for user 23, right? Because that's what it does. Copying password, my name to that. Yeah, we already know the password for this level. We don't need to do that. We want to peek into 23. And we can do cat again temp. Oh, with this file and no such file. Cron job 23. Let's do that over again. My target. My name is who am I? If still doing that in here, huh? My name. Bandit passed my name. It's 22. We don't need 22. Okay, so who am I? I'm Bandit 22. So you were wrong at Bandit 22. 23. But it is bin 23 that will execute this file, right? Yeah. So we still have to echo Bandit 23. Huh. And we got this number. We got this hash number, which will be sent over to the temp file for every minute. So maybe after 1 minute it will show up. So let's do that again. Maybe it will show a different result. Cat temp. No such file directory. Can we list out what's inside of temp? Oh wait, oh, it's tmp. Oh, there we go. Copy that. paste. We did the same thing on the first try, right? When we first log in. 23, where am I? 22. Yeah, we did 23. And we want to cat into that. And we get the hash. And we cut into temp. Oh, yeah, still, I use TMP. Oh, wait, that's the second try. Where's the first try? Cat TMP 22. Anyway, we got the flag. Exit. SSH. We're going 23. What? Should be the right password. What? Permission denied. Let's take a look at 23 to 24. The time-based job scheduler for the configuration. This is a very big step and you should be proud of yourself when you beat this level. Keep in mind that your shell script is removed once executed, so you may want to keep a copy around. I can't even log in. Why can't I log in? GA. It's the right password. Temp, cat temp, echo on Bandit 23. We got this hash number, and what it does is copying the password file to the location. So we should be able to read that in this location, and that's what we did. Permission denied. Why permission denied? Is it because wrong password? I don't know. I don't understand. Okay guys, basically I just did the same thing again and realized that I forgot to copy this 0. I failed to copy that 0 in. That's why the password is wrong. So, took me an hour. Nah, just kidding. Took me about 10-20 minutes to realize this stupid mistake. So, don't do the thing. Don't do the same thing. Alright, so we can now log into